Let's talk about the vaccine. Supplies still limited, not easy to find. So where are they all right now?
ABC13's Maya Shea joins us live to explain how they've been distributed so far. Maya?
Yeah, it's a challenge, right? People hear, hey, the city of Houston's doing vaccines, so they all get appointments, jam the phone lines. You can see the line right here at Bayou City Event Center. But it's important to note the city of Houston's just one provider. It's got about 10,000 doses so far from the state, but the vast majority of the state sending the vaccines to private providers. And that is why for a lot of the folks who really need the help, it may be hard to find that shot.
Father John Flores Gallo drove from his Pearland parish all the way to North Houston this morning just for a COVID-19 vaccine.
It's very important for us because for the community health too.
As the vicar for St. Luke's the Evangelist, he knows he's setting an example for his congregation, especially with Black and Hispanic communities hit so hard during the pandemic.
Most of the Hispanics and Black community are the ones, as you said, in the front lines. We've been hit very hard, and we've been seeing a lot of cases, and this in all of our clinics.
Dr. Adolfo Ordoñez is the medical director at the Houston area Mi Doctor clinics, which got around 1,700 doses, nowhere near enough. The state of Texas distributed the vast majority of vaccines to private hospitals and doctors' offices. In Harris County, Memorial Hermann leads the way with 44,000. Methodist follows, and the city of Houston's health department has about 10,000 doses. HCA Hospitals has over 6,000. MD Anderson, just over 9,000, followed by Texas Children's and St. Luke's. If you're not already a patient at a private hospital, it can be challenging. Was it hard for you to find a vaccine?
Absolutely. Very difficult. And so this was through a connection.
With even healthcare providers scrambling, Dr. Ordoñez says their clinics are trying to serve anyone who is eligible.
We have very specific indications of not to waste any single dose.
Yeah, so we see the city of Houston basically all full for the month, but they are waiting for their shipments from the state. I know it's challenging. People are like, hey, there's all these hospitals with all these vaccines. Which one am I supposed to call? Are they supposed to call me? There's not one single number you can call. That's the way the system is right now. So you have to call your individual doctors, your pharmacies. It does take legwork from you and your family members if you want to get a vaccine. That's just how the system is set up. But we're trying to navigate through all of it, and we'll bring the latest information when we get it. For now, we're live on the South Side. Maya Shea, ABC 13.